Are you a website developer looking to deliver a WordPress website? Well, you come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you on a complete journey covering everything from speed optimization to giving you access to clients. We'll show you how you can make your WordPress dashboard easy to access with minimal menus, streamlining your workflow, and saving you a lot of time. But that's not all. We'll also explore how you can give specific roles to clients and limit the access to certain areas of the website. This ensures that your clients can manage their content without accidentally making changes to critical settings. Let's dive right in and learn how to deliver WordPress websites to clients efficiently and professionally. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Now I'm going to show you 10 things that you need to know before delivering a website to a client. The first thing that you should do is to check the speed and performance of the website. So to do that, search for Google PageSpeed. Click on the first link and here enter your website's URL. So let's go back to the website, copy the URL, paste it here. Now click Analyze and the tool will generate a report that provides an overview of your website's performance. You can view both the mobile and desktop reports here. Currently, the website's performance score is around 50%, which is not ideal. It's important to note that a fully speed optimized website typically has a performance score above 90%. Also, you can see the website load time, which is 2.4 seconds, and it's relatively low. So to optimize your website for better results, just click the link below this video and it will take you to adlift.com. Now Adlift is a tool which is completely free for optimizing website speed. While other speed optimizing plugins can be complicated, Adlift simplifies the process and triples your website speed with just one click. So to get started, just click here and create an account using any of these options. I'm going to use my Google account. Here you need to enter your website's URL. So just copy the URL, paste it here, then click continue and it will ask you to install a plugin. So click download and then install the plugin on your website. So let's go back to this tab, click here, click plugins and click add new. Now click upload plugin, then drag the plugin that you downloaded just now and drop it here. Finally, click install now. Now click activate plugin and it will take you to this page where you can see the site optimization in real time and monitor the progress. Once the process is complete, you can now compare the website's performance score before and after. And you can see a significant improvement in the score. So now let's check the page speed again. Just head back to Google PageSpeed, click Analyze. You can see the performance score has increased to 90% and the page load speed is less than a second now. And if you go here, you can see the performance score for the mobile view. Now that you have learned how to speed optimize your website, next, let's see another important thing to check out for our website security. Website security is essential to protect the website from potential cyber threats and keep the client's data and information safe. So to get the best security, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this website. Now go to pricing and here you can see the plans available. You can choose the one which suits you the best. The free plan has free malware scanning and firewall. This is the best way to keep your site protected from future hacks for free. But I'm going to select the basic plan since it has 2 extra features that a client site absolutely needs. Firstly, there's bot protection, which prevents the majority of malware attacks. Secondly, the paid plan has a 14-day money-back guarantee on malware cleanup and you get unlimited cleanups here. Once you have selected the plan, click Get Started. Now sign into your website using any of these options. Here enter your card details and make the payment. Once you've made the payment, click Add Site. Then enter your website's URL here and click Continue. Now the 𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗃 plugin needs to be installed on your website. To do that, enter your WordPress login details here and click Submit. Now the plugin will be automatically installed on your site. If you're unwilling to give your login details, you can manually download the plugin from here and install it on your site. Once the plugin is installed, click Initiate Sync and you can see that the scanning process is going on. If your site has any malware or any threats, you will be notified here. Once the scanning is done, You can see that your site has been hacked and a malware has been found. Don't panic, it can be easily resolved. Just click Clean Malware, click Continue. As you can see, our site is clean now. Now click here and you will find a detailed view of your website. Another great feature is that you can access your WordPress dashboard with just a single click. And you can also manage your plugins and themes easily from here, which you can use for doing bulk updates. Now that you have learned how to take care of your website security, let's move on to the next step. As you already know, this is how the default login page looks like. Now instead of this WordPress logo, you can add your client's logo here. Also, you can add a background to the login page. Once you change the logo and design, this is how it will look. This way, you can make a personalized login experience for your clients. Now to change this logo, we need to install a plugin called Loginpress. So to install this plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Here, search for Loginpress. And this is the plugin which will help us customize the login page. So let's click Install. Then click Activate. And the plugin has been activated. Now to customize the login page, let's go to Loginpress, click Customizer, and you will get the WordPress login page with these customization options. Now to change this logo, just click on the pencil icon and click Select Image. Then drag and drop the logo from your computer and the logo will be added here. Now let's say you want to change the background design of this page. So to do that, just click here. Now here you can add a background color or choose a background image from here. If you want to add your own image as a background, you can do that by clicking on this option. So let's click Select Image and then drag and drop the image you want. As you can see, the background image has been added. Now to save our changes, let's click Publish. Now if we go to our login page and click Refresh, you can see that login page looks more unique now. So this is how you can customize the website login page. Next, let's go to the fourth step, which is to set up automatic backups for your website. Taking backups for your website will help your clients recover the website files if something goes wrong with the site. It is best practice to set up automatic backups to make it easier for the client in the future. So to set up automatic backups, we need to install a plugin called UpdraftPlus. So let's go to our dashboard, go to Plugins, now click Add New, and here search for UpdraftPlus. Now this is the plugin which will help you back up your client's site automatically. Now install and activate the plugin. And once done, now to take a backup, click Settings and you will get this page. Now again click Settings and here you need to choose how often you want to take the backup. I'm going to choose weekly. Now this will take a backup weekly and your client need not worry about losing their website. And then you can ask your client where they want their website's backup to be saved. You can select any one of these online storage you want. Once you have got your client's online storage details, select the storage here. I'm going to choose Google Drive. Now scroll down, then click Save Changes. Now Updraft will ask you to connect to Google Drive so that it can access the storage and save the website's backup files there. So let's click Sign in with Google and then select your client's Google account. Now Google will ask for your confirmation. So let's click Allow. Then click Complete Setup and it will take you back to your dashboard. Okay, now to take a backup of your website, just click Backup Now and again click Backup Now. Now as you can see, our backup is processing and it's done. And here you can see that we have successfully got our backup. Once you've taken the backup, just click on it and click Download to your computer. In the same way, you can download all the other files. So this is how you can take backups. Now if you want to learn more on how to use backups, you can click here to check out a complete video on Website Learners. Okay, now if you host your website in WebSpaceKit, you can have automatic backups daily, which comes with the hosting plan too. So check out WebSpaceKit by clicking the link below. Okay, next let's go to the fifth step, which is to make your WordPress dashboard easier to use. As you can see, we have so many options in the menu section of our dashboard. Now if your clients are new to WordPress, they will only use some of these options. So instead of having all of these, you can show only the most needed ones and hide the remaining options. This way, you can lower the risk of your clients messing up with the website and it will make the dashboard easier to use for our clients. So to hide all the unnecessary menu options, we are going to install a plugin called Admin UI Customize. So let's install it. Then click Activate. And the plugin has been activated. Now go to WP Admin UI Customize. And here you need to select which role you want to customize. As we have given an editor role to our client, let's select that. Click Save. Now go to the sidebar. And here you can see all the menu items which we have on our main dashboard. You can customize the menu items here. Now, let's say you want to hide the WP Admin UI Customize menu. So just click on the arrow next to the menu. Then click Remove. And it will be hidden. In the same way, you can hide the menu items which you want. And then click Save. Now if we refresh the dashboard, you can see that the menu item has been hidden. Okay, now let's say you have distracting notifications on your dashboard like these. When your client logins to your site, these notifications can make them feel more distracted. So to make your client experience better, you can disable all these notifications. So to disable all these notifications, we need to install a plugin called WP Hide Notifications. So let's do that quickly. Now activate the plugin. As soon as you activate it, you can see that you have successfully disabled all the WordPress notifications. So this is how you can make your dashboard clean and make it more user-friendly. Okay, next, let's go to step 6, which is to set up Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a very simple tool which will help your clients to see how their site is performing so that they can take the necessary steps to improve it. Now, what does Google Analytics show? It shows things like how many people are visiting your site, where are they coming from, are they coming from Google, Facebook or Twitter, how much time they're spending on your site, and the most visited pages on your site. All these things will look super exciting for your client, right? So to set up Google Analytics, just go to analytics.google.com. And here you need to create an account for your client. Click Start Measuring. Now give a name for your account. And click Next. Here, enter the domain name. And again click Next. Now here, enter the business information of your client. So just click here, select the website category, and select the business size. Then choose on what basis you want to use Google Analytics. Now select the options you need and click Create. Now accept the terms and conditions. Now choose from where you will be collecting the data. Let's select Web and enter the client's website URL here. Then give a name here and click Create Stream. Now your account has been created. Next, we need to connect this account with the client's website. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now to connect Google Analytics to the website, we need to install the Google Analytics plugin. So let's go to Plugins, click Add New. Now search for Google Analytics. And you will get this plugin. Now install this, activate it, then click Start Setup, enable this, and click Sign Up with Google. Here, select your Google account. This should be the same email that you used to create the Google Analytics account. Now to allow the sidekick to access your account, click Continue, click Verify, then click Allow. Now click Setup. Finally, click Next. Now this will take you to this page. Here you need to select your client's information and click Configure Analytics. Now Sidekick will ask you to grant additional permission. So let's click Proceed, select your account and click Continue. So now we are connected Google Analytics to the client's website. Now after a few days, you will be able to find your website's traffic here. So this is how you can set up Google Analytics on your client's website. Next, let's go to the 7th step, which is to restrict the access to the page builder. Now if you use page builders like Elementor to create your client's website, you might want to prevent your client from accidentally altering the design. To do this, you can restrict the access to the page builder. So head over to your dashboard, go to Elementor and click on Role Manager. Here go to Editor, select this option and click Save Changes. Now let's go to the website and here you can see that we have the option to edit with Elementor. Now if we click Refresh, you can see that the editing option has been removed. Okay, now that you've learned how to restrict page builder access, what if your client wants to change content on their website such as images or text? The solution is to get Elementor Pro, which will allow your client to make content changes easily without risking any harm to the website's design. So to get started, simply click on the link below this video to get Elementor Pro. Once you have it, now if we go back to Role Manager and go to Editor, here you can see we have a new option. So just enable this and click Save Changes. And now your client will have access to edit the contents on their website. To check that, let's go to the website and click Refresh. And as you can see, we have got the Elementor option now. So let's click Edit with Elementor and it will take you to the editing section. Now if your client wants to edit this text, they can just select it and change it. In the same way, they can change all the text and images on their site. So this is how you can give content editing access to your client. Okay, next, let's go to the 8th step, which is to add the client email address in the WordPress settings. In most cases, the email ID you use while buying your hosting will be set as the default admin email. This email will be used to send and receive all the emails from the WordPress site. It includes WordPress update related emails, and if it's an e-commerce website, the product order and delivery email updates will be sent using this email. So it is important to add the client's email here. Now to add the client's email ID, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, click General, and this is where you can set your admin email for WordPress. Now enter the email ID of your client. So let's enter that, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Now WordPress will send an email verification link to this email. If your client has issues receiving the email, you can set up SMTP on your client's website so that your clients will not get any issues while receiving email from the website. If you want to set up SMTP on your client's website, you can watch this video. Okay, once the client confirms the email, the client's email will be saved as the admin email for the WordPress site. Okay, so this is how you can add a client's email in WordPress. Now, let's move on to the 9th step, which is to give website access to your client. Now, to maintain the website, the client needs access to the website. So if you give them admin access, they can change anything on the website, and this might cause the risk of breaking the website. Now to avoid this, we will create a new user account for the client and give them only the editor role. So to create the account, let's go back to our dashboard. Now go to Users and click Add New. Here enter a username for your client account, the email ID and their name. You can also enter your client's website link here, then click here and choose the access for your client. Now if you want to give your client admin access, you can select admin here. I'm going to give the editor access. Now with the editor access, the client will only have limited access which will not affect the website. So let's select it, then click Add New User. And you can see that we have successfully created an account for our client. And you can share this user details with your client. Okay, now let's go to the final step, which is to manage multiple websites in one single place. If you're managing multiple client websites, you probably know how much time it requires to monitor and do the updates on every single site. Now to make this task easier, you can use a tool called Manage WP. By using Manage WP, with a single click, you can update multiple site plugins and themes. And you can also log into a site with a single click. So in this way, you can save a lot of time and effort. Now to set up Manage WP, let's open a new tab and go to managewp.com. And you will get the Manage WP site. First, we need to create an account on Manage WP. So to create the account, enter these details, click Sign Up, and you will get this page. Now it will ask you to connect the WordPress site which you want to manage. So let's click Add Website. So I'm going to enter the website which I want to manage. And it will ask for the WordPress login details. So here, enter the admin account username, enter the password, and once you're done, just click Add Website. And you can see that we have successfully added our site to Manage WP. In the same way, you can add any number of sites you want. Now if we click Go to Website Dashboard, you can see that we have the plugins and the theme update details of the website. So if you want to update your site, you can do that by clicking Update here. Now if you're working on multiple websites, instead of doing updates for every single site, you can add all your sites to Manage WP and do bulk updates with a single click. Now if we click here, you can see all the websites which you have added to Manage WP. Now to do bulk update for these sites, just click here, and here you can see all the available updates. Now just click Update All, and it will ask for your confirmation. So let's click Update, and as you can see, the updates have started. And you can see that we have successfully done a bulk update for all our sites. Okay, now you know how to do bulk updates with Manage WP. Next, I'll show you how you can log into the site dashboard with just a single click. You don't need to remember any username or password for all the sites you've been working on. You can just log in with a single click. Now to do that, just click here. Now go to the site you want to log in, then click on this WordPress icon, and the website dashboard will be opened in a new tab. In the same way, you can log into all the other websites in a single click. Next, Manage WP also has automatic monthly backups. If you face any issues on the site, this backup can be helpful for you to restore the site. You can also schedule automatic updates for themes and plugins in Manage WP. So this is how you can manage your website in one single place. Okay, now these are the 10 steps which you can do before delivering a website to a client. Now we have a bonus tip for you which you can implement before delivering the website, which is to create a tutorial video for your client. It is a good idea to give them a video on how to manage their website, like logging into their website, making changes on existing pages, and if it's a blog, you can show them how to add a new blog post, or if it's an e-commerce site, you can show them how they can add their own products. Giving a tutorial video can help your client learn to do many things easily. Now, if you want to learn how to record your screen, you can watch this video. To record on Windows, you can use the Loom tool, and in Mac, you can use the screenshot toolbar by pressing Command-Shift-5 and use the record option to record the screen. Once you record it, you can share the video while delivering the website to your client. So that's it, guys. This is how you can deliver a WordPress website to your client. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.